Good freaking morning, guys. We're back, and y'all are gonna watch me get a polar pop this morning. Yep. Why? I don't know. Yeah. Catch y'all in 2 seconds. Good morning. Everybody wants me dead. And little dude I'm going with this morning, Alex, wants a little white monster. Oh man. Everybody wants me. Oh. Yes, sir. I gotta go, but I'll see you later, man.
Good luck, man.
Oh, thank you. You too. Gotta love that guy, man. We'll catch y'all at the duck blowing. That fucking sucks. Oh, you heard that?
It's the thunder guy.
No, the ducks.
Huh?
You heard the ducks?
There's a duck?
Yeah.
Where?
That's some shit birds, but I just heard like a quack like gray ducks. It was over there though. Yeah, it's right there. It should be it.
I'm gonna pull up right to the back. Just set the guns in there. You saw that triple? Look straight up on my side. There's about 5 or 6 flying.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look right there. Look in the front. Good job.
I wanted to get it on the attack again.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't press fucking.
Didn't press record.
Yeah.
You were just like, yeah.
I knew that's why I hesitated when you were like, shoot it. I was thinking I forgot something.
Oh.
And that's what it was.
I didn't want to move because, like, you know, I didn't want it to jump up.
Oh, he's done.
Oh no, yeah, he's.
That's probably fucked up. I just shot him point blank with an
Oh.
extended pull.
Yeah, he's he'll be all right.
He's swimming in a circle. Give me some motion, boy.
There you go.
That's the tail.
Yeah. Yep. Look. I don't know. There was one. It was coming straight at us. Oh, there it is. Is it coming at us? Yeah.
I don't see
Look from this way. You see how that the flock? That one right there. Oh.
We caught it going to those decoys.
Yeah, that was a wood duck. There's one duck in there. Oh. See, like I should have shot it right there. I didn't see it. There's a single duck in all of this. And it keeps like floating. It was hovering right here, but I didn't see it. I'm getting fucking right. Come back, motherfucker.
Oh, there's one on the water right there, dude.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh, that far? Wait, hold up. Before we do that. That other one right there.
You think I can get him?
Ah, we might.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, he was pretty far. I don't know if we'd have got him. But look, you see that one right there. And
that other one's coming back, I think.
there's like a few ducks.
There's
Just
2 of them right now by each other.
yeah.
Motherfucker, I lit up the water by itself.
Oh. No, I know. It's fucking stupid. Oh, look.
Right over the side.
Oh, yeah. Look. Watch your side. It's going to come right here on this tree.
Actually, it kept going straight and did not in fact come around the tree.
On your side, coming over
Yeah.
like, what, 6 of them?
Where they went?
They go, it's on the side of the blind on your side. I can't really see.
Just stay right there.
I still see you duck. It's right there in front of that cypress tree right in front of us, the closest one.
Yep.
Mine's by that little bush.
Motherfucker's hauling ass.
What?
That duck's hauling ass.
But the one you shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, that water's moving. Like, I guess that's where the wind's blowing.
Yeah.
Why they landing in our face. Fucking awesome. Might fucking them up over there.
Yeah.
They should bounce some. Like all these people shooting, they should bounce some. There's one. See it up front. Gliding in. You see him?
Yeah. Is that a duck?
No. He ain't fucking flapped his wings yet.
Nah, it's a water turkey.
There's one water turkey that stays out here. It's probably him. He don't ever fucking leave.
I freaking hate water turkeys.
Yeah, there's some dicks.
Look, there's one. It's coming straight at us. Fucking wood duck. I don't know where it went.
Oh, there are 3 buzz.
Oh, yeah.
In front. That's so good. They went low, but I don't think they went down.
Ah, they look like they're. Oh no, look. They're coming straight at us. Right here. Sorry, I got one though.
That one? I
yeah.
shot right behind you. I don't like shooting over people's heads.
Nah, I know.
I heard something hit the wall.
It was that duck I shot, maybe. Oh wait, they got.
Is he dead?
Yeah.
Water turkey. They just fucking scared the shit out of me.
Oh. Sorry, I hated to do that, but like they've been doing that all.
Do that, bro. Take them. Fuck.
They've been doing that all fucking morning, and it
so
pissed me off.
Is blind. It's not like we're shooting right
No,
now.
yeah.
You ain't gotta apologize to me. Until I get rained on, that's it.
Mhm.
Where's he at?
Oh, he's right there. He's dead. Woo! I brained him. Watch his face fly back. I should have shot a little earlier. I didn't see him until they were right here.
You gotta hide your eyes, bro. Them motherfuckers are smart.
Oh no, yeah. Whenever like they circling and stuff and looking.
Coming in. Look at this. Fast
Oh
as fuck.
shit.
Right in front of you, boy.
Look right there. Damn, shoot it. Damn it.
I'm glad you got him. I forgot to load my gun.
Okay.
I got excited, my bad.
It's all good, my bad.
Finish him?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the boat. We're gonna have to go in the thingy in a second. I don't know if we can finish him from here.
I might.
Good try. Wait, hold up. Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck, I hit him a little bit.
Yeah.
Cover. Chasing woundeds.
Yeah. Picking up ducks. Having fun. Shooting all them ducks. Watch your side, they're gonna come on your side. Oh, fuck. They're coming right here. Oh. Oh my god. Look right here in the front. Look, fucking shoot him.
Fuck. Hell yeah, brother.
I got two of them.
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah. Dude, we just wiped them.
That wasn't bad.
Oh, not at all.
And I got it on camera.
Dude, I think I did too.
Insert tech cam footage from Alexx.
Dude, they were, God, they kept.
Look, that's blackberries, I told you, look.
That? Yeah.
That's what I've been seeing.
Oh, okay.
He's dead, huh? They're all dead.
Oh, yeah, now we folded those.
Fucking right, bro.
Oh, look right there, look right there. Some more.
Might be time. It's clobber time.
Alright. Fuck. I don't want to shoot these, but I don't have time. Oh my. I think they're diving in.
They're coming in?
Yeah. They're right on top.
I see him.
Yeah.
In that corner? Is it? Yeah, they're in that corner over there.
Huh? It was like 10 of them.
I'm sure. Yeah, make some motion, bitch. Make some motion,
Where'd they go? They ain't no way.
bitch. I think I saw him in that corner over there, honestly.
They wanted so bad. Oh, yeah. I see him
Oh,
too.
wow, I was right.
Yeah. I think I quacked a little aggressively there. What the fuck was even that noise? It's like burped and my intestine came out.
Yeah. That's what I call it, Bart. The bird Bart. Yeah, shake it a little better. Oh man, it should be good.
Oh yeah, it'll be fine.